Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to check Play Store download history on Android. So if you also want to check Play Store download history on Android, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the Play Store has been opened, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Initially, you'll be in the games interface. So what you have to do is tap on your profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see your profile over here. Also, you'll be able to find several other options. Over here, at first, you'll be able to find the option for manage apps and device. So simply tap on that option. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to find two options, overview and manage. So simply tap on the option manage. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here, you'll be able to find several options. Make sure first option, this device is selected. Now over here, you'll be able to find all the applications that you've downloaded over here. Basically, you'll be able to find the download history over here. But you might have downloaded some applications, but due to some reason you might have uninstalled it. So if you also want to find the download history for that application, what you have to do is tap on the option this device. After that, at bottom, you'll be able to find the option for choose device. You'll be able to see the devices over here. At last, you'll be able to find the option for not installed. Simply tap on that option. After that, you'll be able to find the download history for those applications that you've downloaded once and uninstalled. Like this, you'll be able to check the Play Store download history. So that is how you check Play Store download history on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.